In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Facebook business page to personal. To get started, open Facebook and make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you are on Facebook, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open the account menu, where you can access different profiles connected to your account. From there, click See All Profiles. You should now see the list of profiles available to you, including your personal profile and any pages you manage. Select your business page so Facebook switches you into that page view. This is important because the settings you need can only be changed while you are using the page itself. After switching to the page, click on the page's profile picture again to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, look for Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for the page, where Facebook groups together the options that control how the page appears and functions. Once you are in Settings, look along the left side menu for the section called Audience and Visibility. Under that area, click on Page Setup. This is where Facebook lets you manage important structural details about the page, including how the page is categorized and presented to visitors. Now, find the page type or category section. Depending on Facebook's current layout, the wording may vary slightly, but you are looking for the area that defines what kind of page this is. Click Edit so you can update that category. When the editing window appears, select Creator, then choose Digital Creator. This changes the page away from a traditional business setup and shifts it more toward a personal brand style. In other words, it helps remove the feel of a retail or storefront page and makes the page better suited for an individual creator presence. After selecting that option, click Next, and then click Confirm to save the change. Give Facebook a moment to apply the update. Once it's done, your page will be set up more like a personal creator page rather than a standard business page. If you don't immediately see the change, try refreshing the page or reopening the settings to confirm the new category has been saved correctly. That's all to it.